butter it, but if you want to butter it, go ahead and butter it. Add more cholesterol to yourself. Because the thing already has butter already. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, please forgive me of my camera woman. She's a terrible camera person. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's my wife. She's going to film us here. Anyway, I start off my recipe with a nice cold root beer. Keep it nice.
You want to take your hair thing off?
No, I'm not going to take my hair thing off.
Yeah.
Three bananas. Tres. Anyway, I learned this from Tik Tok. This young lady, Mary Grace, her name is. Smash the bananas. Half a cup of sugar. Brown sugar. Now I got to do half a cup of brown sugar. Brown sugar.
I'll edit all of that.
This is ridiculous. Usually I use
I'm recording. But we can just do half a cup.
half a cup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. He's so funny too. Some people use what's it called? The mixer. I don't use it. I use how she said it. And you can warm it up if you want. 1.5 cups of flour. 1.5 cups of flour.
Okay.
All right.
That was a heaping teaspoon, boy.
It's okay.
Ain't no exact measurements over here, boy. A teaspoon cinnamon?
Yeah. Put a little bit, bunny. I ain't gonna put another one. Just gonna use one, bunny. That's it. No, you good. Cause I'll just leave you alone. Just stubborn asses. You and your auntie.
I'm recording that too. I will let her see that part.
Yeah, let her see that part. Let her be. I think outside the box sometimes. Aunt Lainey's for you. More nuts? Or more nuts? She loves the nuts. Butter it, but if you want to butter it, go ahead and butter it. Add more cholesterol to yourself.
It said I'm gonna come out better.
They said it to my back. It don't make a difference to me. Because the thing already has butter already.
Okay. If you say so.
But, you know, for the masses, I'll get it.
Don't do it now. Let's see how it come out without.
Oh, I did it before. I did it when we first when me and you competed for your little.
Okay, well then that's butter it did.
Everyone knows that I won that one, but they didn't win. They didn't want the light skinned guy to win.
It was a tie.
It's actually one of my favorite meals. Actually, not meal, desserts.
Let me come get the money shot. Oh.
3:55. Remember, I usually do it for about 50 minutes, 55 minutes to wait. But this is one fun recipe. This is a very easy recipe. I will say, if you ever do this for your coworkers, make sure the presentation is hot. Because I made it for my coworkers one time, and only a few people ate it because I just brought it in like aluminum foil and shit. And believe it or not, it's true. A presentation means a lot. It means a lot.
They're like, what's this mystery loaf?
Yeah, it looked nasty and stuff. Now I just put it in the oven.